Welcome back. My name is Jen, and I am on a journey of transformation, self discovery, and self love. And I would love for you to join me on this journey. So come on. Hi, friends. So today is my weigh in day, my weekly weigh in check in. And today is the end of. I'm sitting by my window and I keep looking outside. That's why I keep getting distracted. So today is my end of my 10th week on this journey, this ketogenic diet journey, and I'm beginning my 11th week. So I had my weigh in today, and today I'm really focusing on the part of my journey called self-love. So even though I always get on the scale, because whatever it says, even if I think I'm gonna have a gain, I still want to track my progress. And I really didn't think I was going to have a gain, but I did. So today on week 10, I had a gain of 0.4 pounds. So I am at 311 pounds even. So I gained 0.4 pounds, and I'm on this journey because I am so conditioned to, as soon as I see a gain, I begin to think about what I did wrong. I must have messed up. I must have eaten too many carbs. I must have eaten something that I wasn't supposed to eat. I must have done something wrong. That's my immediate reaction to that scale number, and that's wrong. I should not have that reaction because I know I didn't do anything wrong. I know I've been eating low carb food. I know that I've been following the ketogenic way of eating. Sure, there are things I could be doing better. There are, I could be drinking more fluids, which I'm always struggling with. I could be drinking more. I could be moving more, which is a whole nother story, which we're going to have to talk about one day. I'll get there. Sure, there's always room for improvement, but the choices I made last week did not have anything to do with my weight gain. So, and in the spectrum, in the big picture, 0.4 pounds is really nothing, and I'm sure I'll lose it plus some more next week. But I have to catch myself with the negative self-talk and really work on that self-love part. So that was a kind of big morning, working through those negative thoughts of I did something wrong, I had a bad week, I failed. None of those things are true. I had a great week. I went camping. I was able to get down on the ground on a air mattress and get up. I struggled a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but it was a lot easier than I had anticipated. That was my whole worry about camping with my daughters was getting down on the floor because I have mobility issues because of my size. And so I did it. I was able to do it. I slept fine as I could, as you can on an air mattress in a tent with an 8-year-old on top of you. So that's, to me, that is a bigger victory than the scale. I'm just making that connection. I'm just putting those things together. To me, that is a non-scale victory that I'm very proud of. That I went camping with my daughters. Yeah, it was great. Great weekend. So, and I hit my step goal on Saturday. I have not been hitting my step goal for a long time. And on Saturday, I hit my step goal. So I had over 7,000 steps on Saturday. So I know I moved more on Saturday. So anyway, the scale is what it is. I've said this, I think, last week. It's just a measurement of gravity's effect on the mass of my body. So here we are. So I also did some measurements today, and I have lost an inch in my waist, and I have lost an inch in my chest. So I've lost 2 inches, and I gained 3 inches in my hips. I don't know how that happened. I think either I'm bloated and holding my bloat down low on my stomach, or I mismeasured myself last week. So I'm not sure what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna put my measurements for this week right here. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what's going on with my hips. I don't know what the difference is, if I made a mistake or if I gained 3 inches in a week. I don't know. I'm just gonna do what it is and just make sure I'm more consistent about measuring. So the inch on my waist and the inch on my chest is great. My bras are fitting a lot better. I think I might have to get a new bra. I'm gonna wait until the new year. I can make it through to December to January. Yeah, so one of the things about having gone up and down so many times in my life is I have a plenty of clothes. I have a wardrobe of extensive sizes, so but not in undergarments. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, that's my weigh-in for this week. I'm feeling good. I am feeling confident that this is sustainable. Check my video from Sunday. And yeah, so I thought I would add with my weigh-in today, I would show you what I'm eating today. So I'm gonna, let's see what I ate. All right, so as you know, every morning starts out with a cup of coffee, and I am loving this Trader Joe's pumpkin spice coffee. It's amazing, delicious. So this is how I make my coffee every morning. And my new Keurig, which I am in love with, and my favorite cup, my Minnie Mouse cup. There's nothing better than that sound of that coffee brewing. And here we have, this is my little concoction. I put a little tiny bit of unsweetened almond milk. Then bring in the big boy, the heavy whipping cream, which makes it so creamy and delicious. And I kind of just fill it up to the bottom of my Minnie Mouse. But I said, no, I'm going to go extra creamy today. There we go. Looking good. Around 10:30, I had some eggs. I had just a scrambled egg with some cheese and brought it over to my workstation. Little journey. And then for lunch, I decided I had some chicken I had to cook, some chicken tenders. So I thought, oh, I'm going to make some Chick-fil-A nuggets. And you may see my video, I'll link it down below, of my Chick-fil-A keto recipe. But I love the sound of that thing. It's so cool. And there they are. Oh, I made some homemade ranch sauce, which is just some mayonnaise, sour cream, spices. And then dinner was butter chicken, and it was a hit in this household. I didn't have any of the rice or the naan bread, but I had plenty of butter chicken. Thank you for watching this video and for checking in on me and following me in this journey. I'm so glad to have you. As always, find me on Instagram. If you like this video and if you would like to see more of my journey, please subscribe so you get a notification, ring that bell. So anytime I post, you can get notified that I'm posting. Please give me a big thumbs up if you're happy to be here. And let me know how you're doing in the comments below. What is one non-skill victory that you've had in your journey? I would love to hear about it. All right, friends, until next week, or until my next video, I want you to remember to love yourself and to love one another. All right, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.